Hey everyone, Cherie Warwick here, blackblockchainconsultants.com. I have 3 articles that I want to review with you today, give you some business ideas as well as some marketing ideas in honor of our 6-figure blockchain consultant course. We're talking within the inner circle, and anyone who wants to join us, we're talking about how to build a 6-figure consulting business. So I want to show you these 3 articles and give you 3 ideas and just some more information for you to think about. And then if you want to join that course, you are more than welcome to do that as well. We will have the link in the description box. So let me share my screen here and show you number 1. First article is about PayPal. PayPal launches a blockchain-based innovation reward system for its employees. And again, if you are someone who is in HR and you are looking to be a blockchain consultant for HR, this is a model that you can take, follow, and implement within other companies. So, of course, we know PayPal is all about innovation. They have a program for their innovation team. And employees using the program are granted tokens for participating in innovation-related programs and contributing ideas. These tokens are only valid within PayPal and can be traded among the participants of the program via its, and they put it in quotes, public ledger. Todasco compared the reward system to Venmo, a mobile payment service that has public and private social media-like feeds. On the website designed for the token program, employees can like and comment on and see all the activity going on within PayPal related to innovation. The tokens collected by staff can be exchanged for over 100 experiences offered on the platform. Some examples of the experiences that they have is you can play poker with one of the vice presidents, you can have coffee and a trail run with the CFO, you can practice martial arts with the CEO, you can even borrow one of the top manager's dog for a day. So I guess if you want a puppy sit, you can do that. They have also seen these blockchain employee reward programs in companies like SC Johnson, which is a household cleaning suppliers manufacturing company, and another company named Plastic Bank, which is an environmental organization. The Spanish bank BBVA is also using it, and other companies are using this as well. So again, you are able to take this and consider using this and expanding it to other companies. So if you are an HR consultant, one of the things that I like about this is that this is something that is very inexpensive for a company to launch, but it really galvanizes and motivates employees as they are working for companies. And because within PayPal it's related to their innovation program, of course we know innovation helps grow long-term revenues. So a company may want to focus on innovation within their company, but they may also want to focus on things like health and fitness. And you could create a program within a company that rewards health and fitness within an organization, but have it based on the blockchain. So that is article number 1. So let's move on to article number 2 here, which is in regards to UNICEF. Did you know UNICEF is investing in blockchain startups? And you may think, UNICEF, I thought that was about kids. Well, you're absolutely right. However, they have a venture fund where they are placing up to $100,000 into 6 open source prototype projects. And it is in regards to, your project has to be working in emerging markets, and it has to be an open source project. However, you can do 2 things with this. Number 1 is you can introduce blockchain developers to this money, and of course, help them develop their platforms, put in a request for this money, etc. You could do that as a blockchain consultant. Or if you are working in an emerging market, one of the things we always talk about is you have to raise funds and you have to get money and you have to get paid. This is one of the ways that you can do it. So I'm sure UNICEF is not the only venture fund that is working on and funding projects for social good. So there you go. Last and final article here is in regards to health insurance companies. This is an article from Healthcare Finance. It's a quote from a gentleman at KPMG who's saying the first health insurance company to master blockchain will rule. And what he's talking about in here is the fact that blockchain would give an insurance company the ability to keep a record of transactions, the ability to augment the connection with payers to the EHR, and it also, blockchain can be used to automate time-consuming tasks such as claims adjudication and prior authorization. So this gentleman, Mr. Ghosh, who is KPMG's blockchain leader, is saying that the first payer within the insurance industry that gets this and that can implement this is going to be years ahead of the competition. The biggest roadblock to this smooth pathway of information sharing is trust. However, if you have a big enough insurance company that is able to harness that trust, then it's going to spread like wildfire across the industry. So what does this have to do with you? Number one is being able to maybe think about user experience within the healthcare insurance industry. You can think about helping select blockchain platforms, project management. You know, if you are let's say a physician, for example, or an entrepreneur, and you want to help with how does the payer work with you on the medical side, or on the pharmaceutical side, or on the testing side, the research side, that is a great way for you to use your decades of experience in the healthcare industry in order to make money from blockchain with insurance companies. So with that, a lot of what we're talking about is positioning. And in order to position yourself, the saying, it's not what you know, it's who you know. It's not true. It's who knows you. So first thing to position yourself is go to the right conferences, meet the right people, let them know who you are, develop relationships with them, and have the content necessary to prove to them that you are the consultant that can really help them. So in our 6-figure blockchain consulting class, part 2 is all about marketing and budgeting, and we're going to go deeper in that conversation on Thursday, where we talk about how. How do you do that? How do you position yourself to become a 6-figure blockchain consultant? This is a $3.1 trillion industry coming, and all I want is for you to get your share and your piece of the pie. So with that, if you are watching this after Thursday, I think it's the 14th, December 14th, 2018. If you're watching it after, I'm sure this class will be up and available for you. You can come to the Center for Blockchain Studies, and we'll put a link in the description as well. You can go there and purchase the course, and it's a 3-part course on how to build a 6-figure blockchain consulting company. That's it for me. God bless you. Have a great day.